So guys, I'm gonna show you how to enter our contest that is limited right now to 45 entries using our tool. So at the same time, you're gonna test out our utility, and at the same time, you're gonna enter a contest that's gonna be live, and we're gonna pick a winner. 1 out of 45 will win 1 Solana. So let's get into my computer and let me show you how to enter. Okay guys, so we are in my computer right now, so let's go and enter the contest. It's super simple. So you just go into soltool.io. You can see here soltool.io, guys. Very simple. Token name win sol, let's call it win sol. So if you never created a token, you can watch my token creation videos, but this is basically it as well. It's gonna be so simple to create a token. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So anyway, to enter the contest, it's super important right now, this area here, supply. I keep on telling everyone, supply. So it means whatever amount you're gonna set, let's say you're gonna set maybe, I don't know, let's say 1 million or whatever. Any amount you set, you need to change to 1 at the end. So right, as you can see, 1 billion and 1. So if you make 1 million, make it 1 million and 1 at the end. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna enter the contest. Now what you do is you go select a picture that you want to launch. I'm just gonna use one of our ones, that cheapest token creation, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna launch this token anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And you do not have to like launch this token on Radium to actually enter the contest. You can just create this token, maybe in the future launch it, whatever works. And then token description, if you're gonna actually launch this token, then you should create your token related to whatever you're doing, if it's a meme, if it's a utility, whatever. If you're just entering for fun, just to enter the contest, to win 1 Solana, you can just say demo text or whatever you want. You can say whatever. You can leave a message for us. It doesn't matter. Demo text. And for the website, if you have one, then you add. If you don't, you don't. But at the end of the day, it depends what your goal is. Are you just entering the contest? Or are you gonna actually launch the token? So that's, you need to choose these parts. So if you're entering just the contest and you don't want to launch it, you just want to create the token and enter the contest, you can leave these empty. If you do have a utility or a meme coin, of course, you should throw in your website, X account, Telegram, Discord if you want to. It's all optional. Okay, and always leave these on because it's better for yourself, because otherwise your token will appear as a scam. So let's connect and my wallet. Okay, my wallet is now connected. Let's go create a token, and you will see it pops up, says accept, confirm the transaction. 0.068 sol. It's the cheapest in the network, guys. This is super important. No one is cheaper than us. So let's confirm. And here we have it. You can see the token address has been created. Now we're just gonna copy it. We're gonna click on it. At the very beginning, till it settles down, it's gonna show as NFT, but then afterwards it's gonna change into the token itself. And you can see here is the supply. So 1 billion and 1, and we're gonna know that you entered the contest. So that's simple, guys. Super simple. You created a token. It will show up right now into our inside our Phantom wallet, and here you go. Win sol. The token image takes some time to update, but if we go to MEVX, I think we already have the image there from the blockchain. So let's go MEVX. Okay, we go to MEVX. We have taken our token address. This is our token address. Let's have a little button here to copy. Now we go and put it here. Enter. Okay, so we need to click on. It's best to click some random token and then just on the URL add the token to open our one. So here we go. We have our token, as you can see, and the image is right here. Okay, there you go. We have the image. So as I say, Phantom Wallet sometimes updates a little bit slower. Sometimes if your token is created and you duplicated somebody else's token, sometimes Phantom Wallet throws it as a spammy kind of token. It doesn't really affect anything, to be honest, but it will show up in managed token list. So an extra token, it will show up like, you will have to turn it on to have it on the main list. But yeah, so that's how you basically create a token and enter our contest to win 1 Solana. So only 1 out of 45 will win, but it's super cheap. You test the utility, you get your token. I mean, there's everything there in place. So guys, get in, test it out, enter, and we're gonna do a live draw. Let me get out of the screen and extend the screen so I can speak a little bit further more. Just 1 second. Okay, so we're out of my screen, so let's talk a little bit. So how it's gonna go down, how is the contest gonna work? So you're gonna enter, and when we're gonna collect 45 entries, we already, I think, have left under, I think it's 36, 30 something like that entries left. But as you're watching this video, it could be already, you know, few entries left. So every time we're gonna run out of the entries, we're gonna create another new contest that you're gonna enter. So we're gonna update. Make sure to follow us on Telegram for any of these sort of updates, so you know what's going on. But how the live draw gonna happen? So we're gonna do is we're gonna get a spreadsheet, and we're gonna give all individual wallets that entered their ticket number from 1 to 45. Then we're gonna go live on YouTube or on Kick or whatever place we will go. I think we're gonna go to the one that's gonna be recorded. I mean, so people can come back later and watch the recording of the live stream. So we're gonna use that, and we're gonna go into the list. We're gonna turn on the Google random number generator. We're gonna do some live questions, so people will throw in some live questions. We're gonna answer them live, so you know exactly that we're live. And we're gonna test few runs with the Google random number generator, so everybody's happy. And then we're gonna put from 1 to 45 and click, and then we're gonna pick one number. The number comes out, we're gonna send the funds directly to the wallet, and everybody will be able to see it that we actually did it. So yeah, guys, at the same time you're testing our utility, that it's working. Another thing, you're entering a contest to win 1 Solana, and maybe that this whole thing will let you get into our token, the Pump Fund token, on its own.